So today I'm going to be showing you how to use the French press. So I got me some Maxwell House French Roast Dark. I scoop it out into the deal. Hang on a minute. Sorry you guys, I forgot to do that. So yeah, you put 3 scoops in this. If you're doing like a half of one like I am, or if you're doing a full one, I put 5 to 4 in there. But yeah, as you can see, it's starting to like get the bubbly to it. And that's what you want. You want good boiling. Now this one, I've had no mess ups with it, but I like the aluminum ones. And the glass does come out of the frame deal. But I don't take it out because there's no use of it. I see a lot of people do videos of these. I thought, hey, why not? You know, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's boiling. That's when you turn it off. And then you just let it sit for a minute. Be right back when it's ready. So, if you're using a pot like I am, you'll need to put one of these in the sink. Then you just take the water over here. My pouring job might not be very good, but I'll try my best. See, it didn't make a full deal, just me. And then, because it's showing everybody they use one of these to like stir it with, so that's what I'm going to do. You stir it. Now, lift this back up here. Now you set and make sure it's not to where you know, like see it would look something a little like that, and then we time it. See, it's 5:11 and at 5:15 it'll be ready. So yeah, I'm gonna get my big old Hershey's mug out. Look at this thing. It's like, it's huge. I picked me up one of these from Walmart. They're pretty cool. They're in the Valentine's section. It's 5:13. Hey, cat, what are you doing? Good morning, Garfield. Now it's 5:15. See? 5:15. So we go over here. don't know if y'all can see it or not. I'm going down, down, down. And it's ready to serve. Now what I do is I got this deal that like opens it. You take it and you pour it out into a cap. See, I used almost all of it in that one big cup. So, yeah. I'm gonna take this to my room. My dad don't know I bought this, so I don't want him to get mad. He's always telling me, "Man, quit wasting your money." But I'm like, hey, it's for a good cause. You know. So go subscribe to my YouTube. And I hope y'all enjoyed this little video on how to. Thanks.